RBI all set to welcome its new governor. Sanjay Malhotra appointed RBI governor for 3-year term. Outgoing RBI governor outlines important tasks ahead of Malhotra. Who is Sanjay Malhotra? Here are a few things to know about the new RBI governor. The Modi government has selected Sanjay Malhotra, the current Revenue Secretary at the Finance Ministry, as the next RBI governor. The Reserve Bank of India will welcome its 26th governor on 11th December. Malhotra's appointment marks the conclusion of Shaktikanta Das's 6-year tenure, during which he successfully navigated critical economic challenges. Shaktikanta Das, known for steering the RBI through critical phases, leaves the post after maintaining steady interest rates for nearly 2 years amid inflation concerns. During his final address on 10th December, Shaktikanta Das said that bringing inflation within the RBI's target range stands as the most important objective for the incoming RBI governor. Das provided insights into the crucial challenges awaiting the central bank whilst expressing optimism about his successor's capabilities as he reviewed his 6-year leadership period. But who is Sanjay Malhotra? Sanjay Malhotra is an Indian Administrative Service Officer of 1990 batch Rajasthan cadre. He is an engineering graduate in computer science from the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur and has a master's in public policy from the USA's Princeton University. Malhotra has worked in multifarious sectors including power, finance and taxation, information technology, mines, etc. Presently, he is Secretary in the Ministry of Finance. In his previous assignment, he held the post of Secretary in the Department of Financial Services under the Ministry of Finance. He has extensive experience in finance and taxation at the state as well as the central government. As a part of his present assignment, he plays an instrumental role in tax policy formulation in respect of direct and indirect taxes. Known for his expertise in finance and taxation, Malhotra has significantly contributed to shaping India's tax policies. At a recent Directorate of Revenue Intelligence event, he urged tax officials to focus on the economy's broader interests over revenue collection. With a strong educational foundation and extensive administrative experience, Malhotra is expected to bring a balanced approach to India's monetary policies, addressing the current economic challenges while ensuring stability and growth.